Hey guys, we're going to review some sight words. These sight words come from the Edmark reading program, which we use regularly in the classroom. Find car. Good job, you found the car. Find horse. There's the horse. Find airplane. Airplane, good job. Find girl. There's the girl. Find ball. Ball, good job. Find boy. Boy, good job. Find yellow. Yellow. Find fish. Here's the fish. Find sea. There's sea. Find chicken. Chicken. Find green. Green, good job. Find little. Little, good job. Find box. There's box. Find in. There's in. Find apple. Apple. Good job, guys.